Hello everybody, it's Montgomery, and I want to get an update on my Stanley door closer. Watch this. See that? The door had a slow latch speed and it latched. It's never done that. Always had to have a fast latch because it's always rubbed on that floor plate, but it ain't doing it right now. See that? It's not touching the floor anymore. And I didn't really do anything to make it stop touching the floor. I just came in here and it started doing this. So it looks like looks like my dad's shed shifted enough to make this door not hit the floor anymore. So isn't that cool? See? I'll let you get a shot of the latch. Yep. We'll get an outdoor view. It latches one last time and that will be it. Opens all the way to there. You know what? One last time. So that will be it.